Introducing the 2021 Nissan Murano. With less than 15,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Make even the most ordinary task a pleasure in this stylish Murano. This well-equipped midsize crossover delivers an exceptionally refined interior with plenty of cargo space and a smooth, relaxing ride that leaves you relaxed and recharged. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: sun moonroof, keyless entry, backup camera, power passenger seat, satellite radio, fog lamps, steering wheel audio controls, alarm, aluminum wheels, dual zone AC. Make the most of every journey when you travel in the comfort of this well-designed Murano. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.